my mobility wasn't that great.
You can now drive longer?
No, I'm not stiffer when I stop. I'm not stiff. Matter of fact,
Oh.
I'm feeling so good. Every other morning, I'm actually doing stretches and stuff. I'm feeling better enough to do my stretches like I want to.
Wow. Okay.
And I got one more thing. I got it also between my neuropathy and I had swelling started to come. When I go home, my swelling go down. When I get on this truck, the swelling go up during the week. And guess what? My swelling has went down a lot. When I say a lot, I can see the veins in my feet pretty good now. So between the lymphatic and the fluids, it's done diminished a whole lot.
That circulation tonic, you need a quart bottle of that.
I need that. When I told you I used to be so-called vegan or plant-based probably about 3 or 4 years ago for a year. I know one important thing, you have to stay on the scale. So I'm always on my scale when I go home. Every week, I'm always on the scale before I leave and when I get home and then when I leave. Well, guess what? Since I took your stuff, I have dropped 9 pounds, and every time I go in, I drop 3 to 4 pounds every time I go in now and get on my scale. Between the herbs and the meat, I think the meat is the most important. I let go of that old fat back and all them oxtails and stuff. I've been on a fish and chicken diet since 2012. I never ate beef and pork since 2011-12. I just started eating that oxtail with her.
Well, James, I'm so proud of you.
Yeah. Oh, this is a lifetime thing because I did this before and it was great. Then I fell off the bandwagon. I see where it'll take me. I say I'm going. This guy, I got to make this vegan thing for life. If I want to live a comfortable. You know what I told my friend? They say, you went back vegan. You think you're gonna live? You're gonna outlive us? I told him. Guess what I tell him, Rhonda? I say it's not how long I'm gonna live. It's how comfortable I'm live till I leave. You might. I say you compared to a 70-year-old vegan. A vegan and a non-vegan that eat meat and all kind of stuff. They both could die 70 years apart. But guess what? That last 10 years of that meat eater, he probably going to be in a hospital, can't get in a wheelchair. You see what I mean? I say it's all about the comfort. That's what I'm looking forward to.
You listen to Jamaica Health Box. That's James' happy truck driver. He took the starter box. Now he needs some more circulation tonic. Go to JamaicaHealthBox.com, sign the waiting list, or just get the starter box to get started or the supersized starter box. Take care of your health.